The numbers speak for themselves. You'll be able to pick this thing up for like 75K, right? $74,999. And we'll be able to get a tenant in there at 1350. Whether you go cash, whether you go Section 8, that's up to you. That's up to your property manager. Got a nice little treat for y'all in Toledo, Ohio, okay? 331 Raymer Boulevard, okay? This is a soon-to-be rental property, right? It was occupied by the owner. This person, they had been living there. They are now moving out, and it is now primed and ready to go as a nice investment property for you guys. The numbers speak for themselves. You'll be able to pick this thing up for like 75K, right? $74,999. And we'll be able to get a tenant in there at 1350. Whether you go cash, whether you go Section 8, that's up to you. That's up to your property manager. How you handle the property management on this particular property is also up to you. Do you want to self-manage, manage it yourself? That's totally fine with us here at Holton Wise TV. Do you want a professional property management company who's going to kick some ass and take some names and take care of business for you? Go in, get the thing rent ready, do the rent ready renovations, screen your tenants professionally, use policies and procedures that have been tested thousands of times. If that's what you like, I highly suggest you use my partners, Oz Realty. Anything I'm doing that requires on-the-ground work in the Toledo market, I am using Oz. Me and my boy Engelo, we go back well over a decade, okay? For those that don't know, I'm headquartered out here in Cleveland. He's headquartered out there in Toledo. I know a lot of people from California, they think like all of Ohio is like a 10-minute drive. Like, dude, I was literally watching a podcast yesterday with like, we got a new receiver on the Cleveland Browns, y'all. His name is Deontay Johnson or something like that, okay? And he's chatting with the fucking host of the show, and the host of the show is talking about like Shador Sanders, and he's like, yeah, man, I got family from Cleveland, man. They're all up in there. They all about Shador. He's like, oh, cool. Where do they live? What area? He's like, Columbus. Like, come on, bro. Like, for fucking real, that's like 3 hours apart. Anyway, that's what we get. We get a lot of people from out of state looking at Ohio, and they think it's all the same. So, like, you're not going to get property management on the ground from the Cleveland team, Holton Wise, because Toledo's like 2 hours away. Okay, so that would be our partners, Oz Realty. They are who handles it, because all of Ohio is not 10 minutes away. I know folks in California, New York, and like New Jersey, you guys are all super important. And Ohio folk, we're just little farmer folk, and we're not that important. But it is a pretty damn big state, okay? Those fucking farms are big, all right? So Oz Realty is who I recommend. If you want to do it on your own, that's cool. If you want to get inside the property before you make your offer, you want to do the rent-ready bid, the renovation bid on your own. You want to go through everything with a fine-tooth comb. That is totally fine with me. Just reach out to my team, sales@holtonwise.com. You hit us up you hit us up before 5 o'clock is what I'm trying to say. You hit us up before 5 o'clock. I'll get you in there the same day. You hit us up after that. I'm going to get you in there the next day because, like, I'm from Ohio. The sun starts to go down on my fucking farm, and, I can't use my goddamn phone. You know what I'm saying? But, when the fucking rooster crows in the morning the next day, though, cock-a-doodle-doo, I'll be up ready to fucking field your fancy-ass phone calls, all right? So 5 o'clock, same day, after 5 o'clock next day. Want you to be able to get in there, do all your due diligence, and then again, it's all a la carte here at Holton Wise. So like you could just buy the property from us and do your own thing with it. You can hire Oz Realty, which is what I recommend. You could hire a completely different company. There's like multiple companies out there in Toledo. Most of them, in my opinion, suck a big fat fucking dong, but that's fine. That's totally up to you, whichever way you want to roll with this thing, okay? And then when you're ready to make your offer, sales@holtonwise.com. And wait, there's more, y'all. There is more. It's not just dick and farm jokes here. No, no, no. We have even more for you. The footage you've been watching, okay, of like, I'm talking and then we're showing you the property and stuff. I want you to watch all of that completely unedited and uncensored, right? Because, yeah, some of you are going to come to town, tour the house yourself. But I know some of you from them big fancy cities, you're probably not. You're just going to want to do everything remote. So for you, I'm all about catering to you, man. I'm all about taking care of my people from out of state. So I want you to stick around and watch all of that completely uncensored footage. Like, it's not like one of those tours where, I walk around and I'm like one of those like 50-year-old realtor ladies that like walks in some shitbox house and is like, look at the pride of ownership. This thing is so cozy. Like, if it's a fucking shitbox, I'll tell you it's a shitbox, okay? This house needs some work, and it's going to rent to like a low-end tenant. You're going to need to do a rent-ready reno. So please watch the tour. It's not like a fucking salesy tour where my guys are out there in the field trying to fucking fluff you on this goddamn property. No, we're looking at it like investors ourselves. We're looking at it like people who've renovated thousands of houses. We're looking at it to show you exactly what it is you're buying, because I am fully aware that not all of you are flying into Ohio. So take a look at that now.
What's up, YouTubes?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, you can go talk. I'll finish getting the camera ready. Try not to drop it. I'm trying not to drop you. Uh, 331 Raymer Avenue.
But it's empty, so...
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, as long as they can kind of show, I think a lot of it is to show the furniture there.
Yeah, and if you kind of got like a long thing, you have to measure. I mean, I'm talking about the
Oh, okay. Yeah, as long as you can like open it and kind of
Is there a way to the backyard from out here, or do I gotta go through the house?
No, side door. I mean, side,
Oh, there's a
side
thing.
gate.
It looked like it was attached. I was like, I don't know if I can open that. All right.
She said when we're done, we can just kind of go in, so.
Okay, I'll knock though
Yeah,
first.
we'll give you a knock and we'll come on in. It'll take like 2 minutes.
Oh, there's an alleyway. Okay. Thought this was a back house. It's a garage.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if we can pop in there.
It's just a garage.
Yeah, but if that van door opens and you just go inside, you know? Up to you, though.
Can just, when we leave, come down this back alley.
Check for dog poop, too, just in case there is any. Crack it in.
I think that's the cellar, old cellar door.
Like the twister style?
Yeah.
Door?
All right.
You got a good shot of that pull back?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that thing zooms out.
Yep. This place is old.
Sounds like we're gonna have full access too. So the electric panels might be a little hard to access because there's like a freezer in the way.
Yeah.
When I told her, I was like, I mean, compared to some of the other stuff we deal with, I'm sure we'll make it work.
Yeah.
We can always slide it over.
Oh, are these the one where they were in the process of moving?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Okay, Gimbal, fix yourself. I hit the sleep button.
No.
Alright.
We missed it.
Nah. Oh, this is a porch door.
Yeah. Which is nice. Everybody likes an enclosed porch.
Lights not helping.
Could use some paint.
Yep. And then.
Come in.
Oop.
So just let us know like how you want us, what room you want us to go in to get out of your way.
Yeah, it's all
Actually,
good.
you should probably be good right there. So what I'll do is I'll pan from this corner, stop right here so you're not in the shot. And then from that side, I can do the same thing. And it'll keep you guys out of it.
Yeah, we got pretty good at
Yeah, I've gotten real good at.
We're the only ones home last Thursday.
Okay.
Living room, perfect.
When you go upstairs and look at that corner.
Dining room. No. Nope, I'll be as unintrusive as I can. Super quick.
You know, these always look pretty cool. So.
Yeah, they slow down my videos anyway. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it from the thing. But you can't see the light, right? You can't see it anyway. It's a fan.
Yeah.
It used to be a fan.
Assuming that leads, maybe there's a back porch. Yeah, they got it.
Yep. I'm all on the way up. It's like a nail studio down here.
Is that Granny Face?
No, it's just the older Kenmore, I think. Ah, that's back there. Maybe you can reach and just pop it open.
Yeah, maybe the people from there.
Yeah. Hot water tank. It's a little out of reach. Caught on there. Furnace. Kelvinator. No. Furnace up there's in there. I was hoping to see it.
I got it.
Perfect. Cool. Now I'll aim up as I go upstairs. You can see the ceiling cracks and stuff.
Yeah, there's flooring right here.
Yeah, I filmed down on the way down and up on the way up.
Kind of hard to miss.
Alright. Okay. I was like, if everybody's still where they were, nobody will be in the shot. Alright. And then,
We're not upstairs, we're not in bedrooms, we're not opening closets, right?
no.
Just basically show the room itself.
Nope. Same kind of thing I did down here. I do one corner, other corner. Every room has a closet, so they don't need to.
Yeah. Right, that's what I figured.
No, she's okay. Or he.
I was also able to get the electric panel open, so we were showing. Yeah, no big deal. I just reached around and kind of got it. So.
Cat on our bed too.
No, you're good.
Nope.
It's all good. Yeah.
Hey, Katie.
Yeah, what's up?
Bedroom one. Hey, buddy. Bedroom two. telling me. This is where the tarp is outside. Oh, Derek's in the bathroom hiding.
Trying to.
Dope clawfoot.
Clawfoots are,
And then there's Derek again.
let me get her shot.
It's just your standard bathroom. Most houses have them.
Yeah, John doesn't like us advertising them, but.
Yeah.
Another key.
Hey, kitty. All right. Adjust for the light. I know I'm all up in your piece. And that's it. Okay, bye. Yeah, I saw that.
That reminds me of 43 Forms.
It's
Away from the roof.
yeah, it's in the other room too. But that's it.
Cool. No attic?
No. There's like a little crawl space, but I'm not popping that open.
No.
Oh no. There we go. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Yep.
All good?
Easy peasy. And then they'll cut that up and make like 45 minutes of pitching the house, which is nice. So
I think you talked to Steve.
Yes.
So basically what we're going to do, we got another couple places we're going to hit. We'll go back to the office tonight. Upload everything. I'm going to let them know.
yeah.
I don't know when they'll get to it. Maybe not till Monday, but I'm basically just going to let Steve know, hey, everything's uploaded. And they kind of take it from there. So if you got any questions, feel free to follow up with them probably next week.
Yeah.
And they'll be able to help you out.
Should be.
Outside already.
Yeah, outside was quick.
Okay.
When we leave, we'll probably come down this alley just so I can show the front of the garage, but that's it.
Other than that, we're good.
Yeah, other than that, we're good. Thank you.
You guys.
Yep. You guys have a good one.
This place is enormous, dude.
Yeah, it's out there.
A lot of space.
It's like, I would manage it too.
Yeah.
Good shape, you know?
It's a Holden Wise special. We can do all those repairs.
Yeah. I'll put it there and do it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.